Hi, this is a video about automating the extraction of the antimetabole. Antimetabole is a stylistic device based on the repetitions of some lexemes according to the scheme A, B, B, A. For example, eat to live, not live to eat, by Socrates. And let us try now to pick up some antimetaboles using the regular expression syntax in Notepad++ out of this plain text of the English proverbs and proverbial phrases by the project Gutenberg. It is time now to describe the structure of the antimetabole piece by piece, group by group. We need to use the round brackets to describe each part, each group, because we will need to reference each group to deal with the repetitions. The first group logically should be a delimiter, a separator, a white space, or a paragraph mark, or just a beginning of the line of the document. The second group should be the word A, the first word of the antimetabole. It should be expressed by word characters, which is by \W, of the length 4, for example, because we don't need actually some auxiliary words, which in most cases are meaningless. We don't want them to be repeated to find these repetitions. And let's put the third group, which stands for the word ending, any symbol expressed by the dot in the regular expression, repeated any times until the next delimiter. Let's close the group and let's try the expression. Actually, it does not work because the whole line fits into this group, any sequence of any characters. If we want this expression to pick up just the word ending until the first occurrence of a delimiter, we need to use a lazy quantifier, which is the interrogation sign. And yeah, it does work correctly. The 4 character words get found correctly. And now we're describing the word B, whose structure is identical to the word A. And now it's time to deal with the repetitions. We need to repeat the word B first and the word A. The word B is inside the 4th pair of the round brackets, and the word A is in the 2nd pair of brackets, and after the word 4 and the word 2, after the word B and the word A, there should be some word ending and some delimiter. And let's try this expression. Okay, it works somehow, but it's not it is not actually what we want, because it picks up some snippets which contain several sentences. We need to get rid of this dot. Let us deal with this inside the regular expressions. Inside the groups which stands for the word endings, we need to state that instead of any character, which is the dot, we just want any character except the dot, which should be the circumflex, which stands for not in the regular expressions, inside the square brackets, not a dot. But dot is a special symbol in the regular expression syntax, so we need to escape it to be used as literally as a dot, not as any symbol. And so we do in all the groups which stand for the word endings, here, here, and here as well. And let's try to find now the proverbs. Alright, this is not an antimetabole, just a mechanical repetition of some words, but actually anyways this expression facilitates our life because we don't need to read the entire document. This is also another mechanical repetition, and voila, there is a nice antimetabole. Love asks faith and faith asks firmness. Yeah, alright. Let not the fiddler play the fife, nor fife play the fiddle. Alright, this is also correct. So the expression works correctly. There are some false results, but it's much easier to discard some 3 or 4 false results instead of reading the entire document.